Namaste children. Hope everyone are fit and fine. And today onwards we are going to start the recorded video. Hope you will understand it and whatever doubts are there you can clear with me. Let's begin with our new topic, that is about large numbers. You have learned about it in last years also. But here we are going to learn in a little depth. Okay. So first of all, I'll go with the history of large number. Do you know in the olden days we were not having the numbers, then how we used to count? Let us find out how it is. Now see, I'm going to share with you some screens. In the olden days, there will be one story which you will like to see. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how it is. So you all know this is about number 1, but how it came, we should know it. What is the story behind it? Okay, again welcome you for the grade 5. Imagine that about the history it is. These are the things which we have used in the olden days. Basically from this symbols only we have introduced our numerals. No. Can you know this? Have you used it anytime? Playing outside? Yes, we have used it. This is called slingshot. We will keep here a stone, and with this we have I had taken many mangoes from the tree. Hope you have also done that in this childhood. I did like that. From this itself we got a number. We have written as number like this. Yes, this is number 1. Okay. So today we are going to learn about numbers. Do you know who invented numbers? We all know. 0, you all know that 0 is given by Indian, that is our mathematician, great mathematician Aryabhatta. The remaining number 1 to 9 is given by Arab people, so we call it as the number 0 to 9 as Hindu-Arabic numerals. Along India has given 0 and 1 to 9 is given by Arab people, so we call it Hindu-Arabic numerals. Okay, now the biggest story. Early humans don't know how to cook and how to dress and how to live. Then we were all in the place where river was there. Civilization begins where human being exists where there were river. So why you think you know? Because river water will, you can see how in the story how it is. Okay. Early women don't know how to cook and how to dress up and how to live. Slowly they learn how to cook and how to live. This developed in the human being caused to build a society. This kind of development in society is called civilization. Basically, we can find civilization near the river side because we will get sweet water from the river, which is useful for drinking and to grow the crops. According to the history, the most ancient civilization is Sumerian Babylonian civilization. Now we will learn about the story. I hope all are interested in story. Here, most of the people are shepherd. They are living happily with the sheep. They did not get any problem till they started losing their sheep. They wanted to know how many sheep they have and how many are they losing to the cruel animal in the forest. There is an intelligent shepherd in that group. He got an idea. He took a pot and some stone. When the sheep were coming one by one out of the shed in the morning, put one stone in the pot for each sheep. By the evening, while they are coming in, take out the stone from the pot. If any stone is left in the pot, then it means he lost the sheep. From here onwards, they started using stones, roots, sticks for counting. But they don't know the script to write the number from many years. Slowly, they have used symbols like standing lines for representing number. Can you see the standing lines? They started using different symbols for writing number. They used to write symbols and pictures in the cave. Then they use such kind of symbols to represent number. They stand for 1, they stand for 2, like this they have. Can you see finally the numbers like this, 1 to 60. They made further after also. Red Indians use the following symbols from numbers. See, 1 dot for 1, 2 dot for 2. Like this, they have learned up to 20. A single dot for 5, single line for 5. In India, the number system was developed in the following way. See, Brahmi numerals, Indians, they use this number. Still nowadays, many people, they are using this number. Gujarati people will use this number still now. But instead of 10, they will write 1 and the 0 as usual. Many people we have seen still now they are using. In Indian people are using this. This is West Indies. Then finally this number has come to us like 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of this 10, we have started writing 1. Around 472 AD, our great Indian mathematician Aryabhatta used the concept of zero in his book Aryabhatyam. In 19th century, Indian mathematician Mahavira invented the properties of zero. The symbol 0, 1, 2, 3 till 9 are invented by Indian. This system is called Indian numeral system. Arab people have come to India for business purpose. They learn our number system and spread this system to the entire world. So that's why it is called Hindu-Arabic numeral. 0 to 9 are called digits or numerals. And numbers are formed by numerals. Children, don't get confused with numbers and numerals. Numerals are symbols. We will create numbers using numerals. The value of the digit is called the face value. Face value will never change. The value of the digit with respect to its place is called place value. Place value will change according to the place. This we have been studying from 3rd standard, children. The concept of place value was given by our great Indian mathematician Bhaskaracharya. If you observe the place value chart, you can find out, identify the difference between place values. See, here, this is Indian system of place value. Ones digit, we will always start ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crore. If you observe from ones place to tens place, difference is 10 times. See, this belongs to the period ones period. This is thousands period. This is lakhs period and crores period. See, children, in Indian system, we have 4 periods. And you will learn to find out and to distinguish between Indian and international system also in further class. In our place value chart, if you observe from one place to another, it is 10 times. That means deci. So our number system is called decimal number system. The number system used by Sumerian is called hexadecimal number, which is base 60. So these are not much useful. This is just for your general knowledge. The number system used by Red Indians is called Vigesimal number system. It is base 10. So today we are introduced the new chapter, that is chapter number 1, large numbers. Now children, can you find the distance between Earth and Moon? Yes, the distance between Earth and Moon is, see the figure. Once you can calculate like this. You know the distance is calculated in kilometer from Earth to Moon. But Earth with the other planet, it's some other unit we are going to use. We will not use kilometer. Now concentrate on this number. See here. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crores. So how to read this number? 14 crores, 96 lakhs, 870 kilometer. Now you see this Earth weight around 6 and see the numbers. Even I can't find out this. What is this name of this weight of the Earth? Okay, this is homework for you. You try to find out what is the name for this. Let's go to the next one. How to count the numbers. How to read the numbers. See, 7-digit number. We are all familiar with 6-digit number. Today in 5th grade, you are going to learn about large numbers. So this is count the number of digits. ones, 1 digit, 2 digit, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit number it is. That means 1 followed by 6 zeros. How to read it in the Indian system? See, here how many 10,000s are there? 10,000. So it is nothing but a lakh. You can remember 1 lakh means 1 followed by 5 zeros. So here, count here, it's not 5 zeros, it's 6 zeros. So it is nothing but 10 lakh. Now look at the numbers represented by number counter. Here we have used ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. Here how many ones are there? 3. So tens 4, 100 6, 1003, 10,002, lakhs 5. So this way of writing is called expanded form and this way is called short form. So this is your turn, it's my turn. So this I will give you as a worksheet, not now, okay? I'll send the worksheet through WhatsApp group. Now, when we are learning about large numbers, see here. 1 more than 99,999. You add 1 to this number. What you will get? You can see at me. See, I'll do it on the board. 99,999. You add 1 to it. What is this? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number. 5 digit largest number. Now I added 1 in it. So what it becomes? So it is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. You are getting 6 digit smallest number. Now it's very easy to find out largest number and smallest number. For a 5 digit largest number, we added 1 to it. So we are getting 6 digit smallest number. Okay, children? So same way, we'll take a simple example. 9 digit, single 1 digit number and added 1 to it. So we are getting 2 digit smallest number. This is largest number. Greatest also we can write. Now you add 99 plus 1. 99 plus 1 you add. So you will get 100. You will get 3 digits smallest number. Now we will take 999. We add 1 to it. What you will get? We get 1000. Like the same way, we got 6 digit smallest number when we added 1 to the greatest 5 digit number. Understood, children? Now let's go further. We are interested to get the number systems. Large number. Same thing is told here. Okay. I'll explain you. The Indian system I explain now. Now once again, Indian system of numeration. Number, representing number using number counters. Now see here. Can you find any comma marks? It becomes very difficult when there is no comma mark. We can't read this number. We can't say the number name. You too have your name. We don't call it a boy or a girl. The same way for the numbers also there should be some name. Let us learn about it. Now these are the periods. This is Indian system, so we will get 4 periods. What are the periods? Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. So how many periods here? 4 periods. So in ones period, we have ones, tens, 100. In thousands period, we have thousands, 10,000s. In lakhs period, we have lakhs, 10 lakhs. And in crores period, we have crores, 10 crores. Now looking at this period, we can find out that in Indian system, we have 4 periods. So we will put a comma mark accordingly that. Now see this number. I'll erase it or I'll write here. 6, 2, 7, 8, 4, 5, 3, 1, 5. I have written this number. And now I have to read it or I have to write number name in Indian system. So as you know, ones period is after ones, tens, hundred. So you put a comma mark after 3 digit. Now according to Indian system, 1000 period we have 2 places, 5 and 4. Put a comma mark. Then again put a comma mark. So Indian system is read like this. First you have to put a comma mark after 3 digit from your right side. Then after every 2 digit. You can remember like this in Indian system. We can put a comma mark after 3 digit. You can show it like this. Then you close the and you can see after 2 digit. This is the easy way to remember. Once again, you have to repeat with me. After 3 digit. Then after 2 digit. 2 fingers are open. Okay, children? Yes. So now let us read. To read this, I'll take another chalk piece and I'll show you. You have to mark out the place value. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, thousands place, 10,000 place. Then according to Indian system, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So how to read it? See, it's very easy. Look at my finger, how I am moving. 62 crores. See, 62, then comma is there. So go up. See, take out crores. 78 lakhs. 445,315. Once again, children, I will speak how to write the number name. First, put commas according to Indian system. That is first after 3 digit, then after 2 digit. Every 2 digit you have to put a comma mark. Then you write the place values on the top of it. Then how to start reading? You have to start from this left side. 62 comma mark is there. So go up. What is written? C. C means crores. 62 crores. 78 L. L means lakh. 45,315. So this is how we will write the number name. I'll show you here. See, they have shown here with the help of a counters. Done, children? According to Indian system of numeration, the number is written as this way. I have read it, or I wrote you on the board, and it is read as 62 crores, 78 lakhs, 45,315. So there is a comma. First we have to, before writing it, we have to place the comma mark and write the name according to number system. According to Indian system, see, same thing which I explained you. Now, we will learn about the same number using international system. Okay, children? So here you can find out there is a difference in the period. In Indian system, there is a period, only 3 periods are there. Ones, thousands and millions. Let us see here. Ones, tens, 100. It is common even in Indian period. Then 1000, 10,000 is common. But here we have 100,000. 100,000. Then we use the word million, 10 million, 100 million. But Indian system we have 4 periods. International system we have 3 periods. Okay. Now you can you are all familiar up to 100,000. Now this is about the new thing in the grade 5th. Now how to place a comma mark in Indian system? First after 3 digit, then after 2 digit. Here we have to place every 3 digits. You can consider your right hand for the Indian system, left hand for international system, and you can remember it. Okay, children. So place comma and write the name of the following numbers according to international system. So this is how we are doing it. So let me show you same digit. I'll teach you in the international system. 6, 2, 7, 8, 4, 5, 315. So what we have to do? The first step. First step, you have to put a comma mark according to international system. Every 3 digit. Why we have to keep a comma mark every 3 digit? Because we have in Indian system, see, international system, we have ones, tens, 100. Put comma mark here. Then 1000, 10,000, 100,000. You have to put a comma mark. Then after 3 digits. So that is the reason we are keeping comma mark after 3 digits. So how to read it? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then 100,000. Then what we have to take? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Then what we have to say? 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. How to read it? Same way. You have to read this 3 digits together. 627 million. Comma mark on the top you have to go as we are going in the Indian system. 627 million 845,315. This is how to name it in international system. Clear, children? Okay, children. The Indian system. See, 1 followed by how many zeros can you count? See, you can count ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this is 10 crore. Once again, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So it is 10 crore. Now we are keeping the comma marks after 3 digits. So it is 100 million. Same number we are taking in Indian system. This is the number way we are writing. International system, the number name we are writing. 999,999,999. Children, I am going to give you some worksheet after this session. So hope you will complete the worksheet and please note down in a separate book. Okay, children? So once again, what is the summary of today's class? We'll come back to the summary of the today's class. About the number system, we have constructed a large number. Earlier, we are dealing with the small. In the grade 4, we have learned about the till 6-digit number. But here, we are learning till 9-digit numbers. Okay. So let us understand one more time summary. We are learn about how the numbers came for us, how we have found out the numbers. Later on, we understood what are the numbers, Indian system way of writing and international way of writing. Indian system of way of writing is quite different from international system. When you want to write down in a large number, we use international system itself. How to write the place value? In Indian system, we have 4 periods. International system, we have only 3 periods. That is the reason we will put after every, first we will put a comma mark after 3 digits in Indian system, then after 2 digits. International system, every 3 digits we will put a comma mark. And you have learned about it. Hope you will, one more time you write down in your book, the place value system, Indian system and international system. I'll send you the worksheets for you to do it. Thank you, children. Namaste.